Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Family of Computer Science. First of all, I should thank you for choosing MITS and Computer Science allied related branches. Normally, any session after lunch is not that much effective because we have some food and it's nap time generally. So people don't prefer afternoon sessions, but I'll promise you, I'll bring you out of your nap. Okay. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I'm Basha, not Manik Basha of Basha, because నేను ఒకసారి చెప్తే ఒకసారి చెప్పినట్టే వందసార్లు చెప్పినట్టు కాదు. That is, I am Dr. Mahbub Basha, professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department, and I am from, my native place is a village Nalamada near Kadri. I studied in SPHS school near Hindupur, Baswanapalli. Why I am saying is, how many of you from rural background? Rural, Pallel nunchi. Okay, thank you. పల్లె నుంచి వచ్చినాడు తెలుగు మీడియం అంటున్నాడు ఏం చెప్తాడు అనుకోవద్దు, నేను బాగా చెప్తాను. మీరు కూడా పల్లె నుంచి వచ్చాను ఏం చదువుకుంటాను బీటెక్ అనుకోవద్దు. యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్, దట్ ఈస్ మై కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. సో దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ మై ఇంట్రొడక్షన్. నౌ కమింగ్ టు కాలేజ్, ఫిదా సినిమా చూసి ఉంటారు. సో హీరోయిన్ సాయి పల్లవి, షీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఆర్డినరీ గర్ల్. 2 కులాలు 2 మతాలు హైబ్రిడ్ పిల్ల. మా మిట్స్ కూడా అంతే, ఒక్క స్టేట్ కాదు 29 స్టేట్ల నుంచి కూడా ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఉన్నారు. ఒక్క సింపుల్ యూనివర్సిటీ కాదు, ఆల్ ఎన్ఐటి ఐఐటీస్ నుంచి ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఉన్నారు. సో యూ కెన్ గెట్ మ్యాక్సిమం బెనిఫిట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ కాలేజ్. యూ కెనాట్ ఫైండ్ సచ్ కాలేజ్ ఎనీవేర్ ఇన్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. సచ్ డైవర్సిటీ ఇస్ దేర్. Not only in terms of the states, in terms of educational background, in terms of educational institutes, such diversity, ఆ భిన్నత్వం మన స్టేట్లో ఎక్కడా కనబడదు. నాట్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ సో కాల్డ్ deemed universities. So that is MITS. I can proudly say I am faculty of MITS. You can also proudly say you are student of MITS, because I promise you that you will get the best education in MITS. Next, that is about MITS. Next, we'll speak about our branch. Now, I told you, I have invited you to the family of computer science. Now, when you take the computer science is popularly called as software field or IT field. So, when you take the software field or IT field, now CSC, CST, AI, DS, CS means cyber security, then IoT, they're all are of one family. They're in fact sisters. CSC and CST are cousin sisters, not cousin sisters, they are twin sisters. Chinna gap to puttaru, all are same, all having similarities, only name is different. So if you take the subject, there may be slight difference in 1 or 2 subjects. Because they are twin sisters, similarities are 100%. Only there is a name difference in name. The remaining 4, they are also their sisters. Born little late, they are quadruplets. Means naluguru okesari puttaru. AI, data science, cyber security, IoT. Naluguru okate sari puttaru. They are quadruplets. So if it is 2, it is twins. If it is 3, it is triplets. If it is 4, it is quadruplets. So you don't feel anything that I am AI, I am IoT, I am data science. Finally, what is your skill that matters, not which specialization you belong. But surely, I told you that is the family. Next, when you come to computer science field is the field which has changed the lives of the people of India. That we can proudly say. Even middle class people now they are roaming in flights. It is only because of IT industry. That you can surely say. Even in COVID time, the only field which is surviving is software field. The software people, they are getting salaries on 29th, 30th, 31st. It is only software field, no field, every field has affected but not software field. So even in this COVID time, every field has bad phase, but not software field. Even if you take the recruitments that are happening, this year our college students, especially CSC related students, they have 3 to 4 offers. There are 3 to 4 offers. Please give big hand, it is for you. It is 3 to 4 offers. Even in COVID situation, I am repeating, even in COVID situation, that is the power of computer science. But one thing you have to remember, this computer science field is like IPL. You know IPL? So when you take IPL, not necessarily Indian players. That means not software field is not necessarily filled with computer science related branches. Anybody can compete. That you have to keep in mind. But the advantage is in IPL, if you take Indian players, how many Indian players will be there? How many players will be there? 7 Indian players, 4 other players. Similarly, when you take software field, out of suppose 10 if you take, 70% of the jobs in software field will be given to computer science related students. Remaining 30% will be given to the others. But remember, you have to compete. You have to compete with other students. But when you take this 4 years, you should be not like suppose if your aim here is you should get at least 20 lakh package job, not 20 lakhs package bride. Not your aim should not be that. Your aim should be 20 lakh package job. You should boys should not say roam around in the college by saying buttabamma. Girls should not say Veedu Nadipe Bandi Royal Enfield. That kind of thing you should not have. Only thing you should have is నాకు తెలిసిన లాంగ్వేజ్ పైథాన్. అలాంటి మైండ్ సెట్తో వెళ్ళాలి. Then only you will get a good job. If your intention is that if you are joining here and if you forget because your parents are spending so much on you, they are keeping lot of dreams on you. You have to live to the expectation of their dreams. You may 4 years you may enjoy campus selection, not a job. You may get a bride or groom as part of campus selection. Then your life after that is nothing. As part of campus selection, if you get a 20 lakh job, then your life after that you can easily do it. So you should not think 30 రోజుల్లో ప్రేమించడం ఎలా. ఆ సినిమా నేను చూడలేదు, చెప్తున్నారు. అలా కాకుండా 4 సంవత్సరాల్లో నేను మంచి జాబ్ 20 lakhs ప్యాకేజ్ జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోవడం ఎలా అనేది మీ మైండ్లో ఉండాలి. ఆ సినిమాలు ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ సైడ్ ఐఎమ్ ప్రామిసింగ్ యూ టు గివ్ యూ 100% టు యూ. నా ప్రామిస్ ఈ 30 రోజుల్లో ప్రేమించడం ఎలా హీరో ఒక పాట ఉంది, నీలి నీలి ఆకాశం ఇస్తామనుకున్నా అంటాడు, ఇవ్వడు. బట్ వీఆర్ ప్రామిసింగ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎ జాబ్ ఫర్ యూ. దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ ప్రామిస్, నాట్ లైక్ దట్ హీరో. We promise that and we keep up our promise. But from your side, you have to put efforts. If you don't put efforts, nothing is going to happen. From our side, we have very good faculty. I told you in the beginning, the MITS is not like other colleges. That I can proudly say. MITS is not like other colleges. It is different college. It is hybrid pillar. So you can believe it, and we live up to the promise. So from your side, you have to assure that you pay attention and you concentrate and learn something for your bright future. It is only for your bright future. We will also be working only for your bright future. This is general thing. Technically, I don't want to give much technical things because we will be giving several technical things in the class itself. As far as the subjects are concerned, you can note it. I'll give you some subjects because when you take the subjects, you can depend on the textbooks. You have to depend on the textbooks. Don't depend on internet for some material, because most of the pages, whatever information you are getting on the internet may be correct, but 10 to 20% of the contents whatever you get on the internet is wrong contents. So you cannot believe the contents that are there in the internet. You can believe the textbooks, and better spend some amount on the textbooks instead of spending huge amount on very sophisticated phone. You can spend some amount on textbooks. Some subjects, courses on which you can spend some amount to buy the textbooks. You can note it down if you are interested. One is C language. C and data structure will fetch you, only C and data structure will fetch you job about 10 lakhs. If you are not good at C and data structure, you will get a job like 3.5 lakhs, 4 lakhs. But if you live in Bangalore with 3.5 lakhs, only your expenditure you can make, you cannot help your parents. Even if it is Bangalore, only you can pay your rent. So your aim is not getting a job, because when you take some companies, they will give you job easily without much skills, seeking skills from you. But if you want to get a good job, your C and data structure skills must be very good. You can buy textbooks for C and data structures. You can buy some. You can depend on the college library. There are so many textbooks. You can depend on college library, but some you have to buy. Buy textbooks. Read the textbooks. Then only you will get knowledge. Otherwise, you may be passing the subject, you may be scoring the marks, but that is not a matter. When you go to interview, how you perform in the interview, what is your skill, that is important. Marks, they don't bother. Maybe marks may be allowing you to enter into the interview hall, but your performance in the interview, your skills in the interview is more important. That you cannot get just like that. You cannot get the skills, high salary just like that. I am impressed with one advertisement, Lalita Jewelry's advertisement. That owner, he says, double urke ravandi. So anybody, any company will not give you a high package salary just like that. You have to perform well. You can perform well only when you learn the things, concepts. When you learn the concepts, you can learn some concepts from the teacher. You can learn some concepts from the textbook also. So please try to read textbooks, buy textbooks. If you buy the textbooks, you are not going to lose anything. You are going to gain only. So you can buy textbooks of C and data structures, and you can choose one of Python and Java languages. My preference, earlier I used to go with Java language. Now my preference is Python language. You can prefer either. C is must, compulsory. C and data structure, without that you cannot say computer science student. Suppose if other branches, if they know Python, they can survive. But because you are computer science related student, you cannot survive without C and data structures. You cannot say I know Python, I have to get a job. It's not possible. You have to get a good job only based on your skills, C and data structure skills. So you can buy C and data structure textbooks. You can buy now itself. You can buy, even though they are coming in different semesters. You can buy. You can choose one of the language, Java or Python. It is up to you. You can buy textbooks either on Java or Python. It is based on your interest. You can go for that. So as I told you, data structures, it is must. You can buy any number of textbooks. Along with that, data structures generally is combined with algorithms. So you can also buy textbooks on data structures and algorithms. Then database management system is another subject which will get you a job. So you can also buy some textbooks on database management systems. Finally, these are very limited number of textbooks you need to buy. Remaining, there are so many subjects. You can get the material from the books from the library or get material from internet, but you cannot believe internet material. Before you take that concept that is there in internet, you have to ensure that that concept is correct, because most of the concepts that are given in the internet are wrong. So last subject for which you can buy textbook, there are so many subjects, but I have given very limited subjects which will get you a job, The other subjects may be, suppose if you take specialized subject, I am not talking about specialized subjects like AI, I am not talking machine learning, I am not talking cyber security, I am not talking, but all these computer science students, whichever specialization you are, you have to go through all these subjects which I told you, like C, data structures, Java, Python, database management systems, and finally software engineering. If you are good at these subjects, it will get you a good job. The other subjects, I am not saying that don't study other subjects. Other subjects, there are so many subjects. Suppose if your aim is GATE, you have to read a different textbooks, different subjects. I am telling about the courses which will get you a job. So these courses, you can buy the textbooks and you can refer the textbooks. The others, suppose if you are going for GATE, you can choose a different set of courses that will give you in the due course as part of 4 years, will be giving you the other things, will also help you in placement, because we put a lot of efforts for placement. We spend lot of time on preparing and trying you. So from our side, we will be putting 100% efforts. You have to promise us that you will put 100% efforts and leave to the expectation of your parents. So your parents always keep in mind in 4 years here. Don't forget them. Each step in the college should make your parents proud. Should not make them down their head. So you have each step in the college, whatever you make, whatever may be the step, should make your parents proud. That always keep your parents in mind and do the activities here. Then surely you'll succeed, and we put efforts and you can get a very good job. This is the one I wanted to tell you. Thank you very much.